Hi, excuse me. Is anyone sitting here?
No, you can sit here if you like.
Thanks. It's such a nice day, isn't it?
Yes, the weather is really good today. Not too hot, not too cold.
Exactly. I love coming to the park when the weather is like this.
Me too. It's so peaceful here. I come here 2 or 3 times a week. It's my favorite place to relax. What about you?
Actually, it's my first time here. I just moved nearby a few days ago.
Oh, welcome. How are you finding the area so far?
It's really nice. I'm still learning where everything is. I like how calm it feels here.
That's true. It's a quiet neighborhood. Are you living alone or with your family?
I'm living alone. It's a new experience for me. What about you?
I live with my parents and younger sister. We've been here for many years.
That sounds nice. So, what do you usually do when you come to the park?
I like reading, walking, or just listening to music. Sometimes I bring snacks and sit here for hours.
That sounds relaxing. What book are you reading?
It's a novel. I love stories. Do you like reading too?
Yes, sometimes. I also enjoy listening to podcasts. They help me learn new things.
That's great. What kind of podcasts do you like?
Mostly about learning English, motivation, and personal growth. I try to improve myself every day.
That's a good habit. Are you studying or working?
I work online. I do graphic design. What about you?
I'm still studying. I'm in my 3rd year of university.
Nice. What's your major?
I'm studying English literature. I enjoy learning languages and writing stories.
That's interesting. So, you speak other languages too?
Just a little bit. I'm still learning. And you?
I speak one language well and I'm working hard to get better at English.
Your English sounds good to me.
Thank you. I try to practice every day. I even talk to myself in English sometimes.
Haha, I do that too. It helps, right?
Yes, it really does. Do you ever watch movies in English?
All the time. I watch with English subtitles. It helps me learn new words.
Same here. What's your favorite movie?
I like romantic and comedy movies. You?
I like action and adventure. But I watch everything, really. I like drawing, watching videos, and going for walks. Sometimes I play games too. And you?
I enjoy painting, reading, and sometimes baking. I bake cookies and cakes.
Wow, that sounds delicious. Are you a good baker?
I try my best. Maybe one day I'll bring you some cookies to try.
I'd love that. So, do you usually come at this time?
Yes, usually around this hour. It's quiet and not too crowded.
Good to know. Maybe I'll come again tomorrow around the same time.
Sure, why not? We can talk again.
That would be nice. By the way, I'm Adam.
I'm Emma. Nice to meet you, Adam.
Nice to meet you too, Emma. I'm glad I sat here today.
Me too. It's always nice to meet someone new.
Okay, I think I should go now. But it was really nice talking to you.
Same here. Have a great day, Adam.
You too, Emma. See you around.